Hello students, let us see some example based on equivalence relation. The example is given here. A relation R is defined on a set X where X is set of all males in Mumbai as follows. For A, B belongs to X, any two males, A is R related to B if and only if A is a brother of B. That is, A and B are related by a relation R if and only if A must be a brother of B, or A and B are brothers of each other. Examine whether R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence relation. Solution. First one is reflexivity. We have to check the reflexivity of R. We have to check the reflexivity of R. Reflexivity. Let A comma A belongs to X be any member, be any element, any member. Then A is a brother of itself. Then A is a brother of itself. Brother of himself. So then A is a man, A is a brother of himself. So A is R related to A and this holds for all A belongs to men. Therefore R is reflexive. Second one, symmetricity, or R is symmetric. Symmetric. Let A comma B belongs to X. A and B are two males in Mumbai. Suppose A is R related to B. Suppose A is R related to B. This implies that A is a brother of B. Brother of B. This implies that B is also a brother of A. Also a brother of A. This implies that what this implies? This implies that B is R related to A. Here A and B belongs to X. Therefore R is symmetric. Third one, R is transitive. R is transitive. Is this R is transitive? Is this R is transitive? Let A comma B comma C belongs to X. That is A, B, C are three males in the Mumbai. We have to prove that R is transitive. Suppose A is R related to B and B is R related to C. This implies that A is a brother of B and B is a brother of C. Is a brother of C. This implies that if A is a brother of B and B is a brother of C, then A is a brother of C because all these are males and A and B are brothers and B and C are brothers. So A and C, A is a brother of C. A is a brother of C. So R is transitive. Therefore R is transitive. Thus from 1, 2 and 3, thus from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. R is an equivalence relation on X. An equivalence relation on X.